2010 Dodge Ram. It's still called Dodge back then, right? I think in 2010. Anyways, Ram or Dodge, whatever you want to call it. Hemi. Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. What we got done on it, something different than anything else. Got factory converters there and there. Then it was into a single. It was broke here, so we said, we're gonna change it all. So we cut it all off, 3-inch pipe, all the way into a Black Widow. Part number, somewhere over here, BWSDR/33. It's a Black Widow race Venom, as you guys can see there. And then 2 tailpipes, 2 1/4 out the back. Then we expanded it to fit over into the 3-inch right there. Look at these beautiful welds. Then straight out the back, we took both tailpipes out. They were shot and put 5-inch tips, stainless steel there and there, as you guys can see. And there's everything that was on it that we cut off, all the old stuff. See how it's all rusted and just done. We're done with that. Time for new. Looks so much better now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there'll be a link in the description for everything. That race Venom and everything. Ah, that sounds good. Woo! Man, that sounds beautiful. Black Widow, race Venom. There's sound decibels. Again. Right up. 108. That sounds sick. Sound a different tone to it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 Hemi. Black Widow race Venom, 5-inch tips, 3-inch pipe in the middle. Just gives it a really nice deep tone. Just aggressive all the way around. Idle on it. Sounds good.